In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer any photo, video file from your any DJI model drone to your Android or iPhone. So simply you need to first install this DJI Fly apps. If you don't get this, just open your App Store or Play Store, go to search option, search it to DJI Fly. At first install these apps. I'm already installed this. I'm not using DJI RC remote, just need to drone and must be connect your SD card. Okay, and turn on your drone. Okay, all right, now turn on my drone and make sure to connect your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this method will work any Android and iPhone, same process. Open these apps, wait few seconds, then automatically showing here this drone in this section. Just press on to connect, wait few seconds, press on join. Okay, now successfully connect this. Just select to DJI Mini 4 Pro, all photo, video favorite, select all. If you want to save a video, just select. As you can see, showing it to download option, press on. Now it's downloading. Okay, now download complete. Let's close this and open my photo gallery. As you can see, I'm recently download this. That's it.